Check out this Ford 2019 F-250 Super Duty XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel-mounted controls, voice recognition controls, impact sensor alert system, phone voice activated, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security remote, anti-theft alarm system and multi-function display. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.